guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out this GERSHION Polygel kit. This is my first time trying out this brand, so I'm super excited. It comes with some dual forms, which are perfect for beginners, but today I will not be using them. And as you can see, when you turn it to the side, there's a distinct curve. They also give you this 100-180 nail grit file. They give you some regular paper forms. So they also give you this brush, and on the other end there is a spatula. They give you top coat and base coat. So this kit comes with 6 colors. So the first one is clear, and that looks really clear. They also come with white, and I love that this kit comes with white because a lot of the other kits from other brands only come with clear, but white is super useful. Natural pink, and this pink is really pretty. It complements so many skin tones. Dark pink. This pink is really pretty too. It's not too different from the natural pink. It also comes with cover pink, which is just like a more nude. Bean red, which is like darker. It's really pretty. So here are all the colors side by side to compare. So I've already added my tips and prepped and everything. So now I'm just taking the base coat that came in the kit and I'm applying a thin layer. So what I really like about this kit is that each of the containers come with 30 milliliters of gel, and most other kits there's only 15 milliliters. So that's really dope. You really get your money's worth. So this kit basically has everything. The one thing that it doesn't have is a slip solution, but that's okay because you can just use alcohol, or I've heard other people using acetone. I've heard people using base coat gel. So there's other options. So on the thumb, I just took the natural pink and I'm just doing the 2-bead method. So I'm putting like a long bead of gel towards the tip, smoothing that out, then curing it, and then getting another bead towards the cuticle, smoothing that out, then curing it, and then moving on. So I'm gonna do like a natural look today, like a French look. So I thought this color was super pretty for like a French nail. I was also thinking that I wanted to do an ombre, but I have not perfected ombres with polygel yet, so maybe in another video. So I'm just smoothing it out right now.
You're mine for sure.
So you see me kind of struggling to get the gel out of the bottle. I'm like shaking or whatever, and that's just because it was cold in my room. It's not too stiff, it's not too runny, and as you can see while I'm working around the cuticle right here, it's not trying to flood my cuticle. It's a perfect consistency and it's pretty sick. So for this nail, I'm going to be doing a V-cut French tip. So I'm taking a really big bead of the natural pink and then pressing it towards the cuticle and then like working it down into that like triangular shape. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm using like a pretty big bead because I want it to be kind of thick so that it has strength and an apex, so I don't have to go back in and like encapsulate and stuff. I don't know about you guys, but doing a French tip with polygel is like super hard for some reason. But yeah, I'm just working it down. Something else I wanted to mention is that all these products are like little to no odor. So if you're really sensitive to like fragrances and stuff and you get headaches, this is perfect for you. And I'm basically going to do the same exact process as I did to the index finger to the pinky finger. So like I said before, you get a bunch of gel for your money. So it's super duper affordable. So if you want to purchase this kit, it will be linked down below. I believe it's on sale, but I'm not too sure. So yeah, feel free to go down in my description box and click the link to go purchase this kit. So in this index finger, not this index finger, this ring finger, I'm going to be doing a marble design. So I'm just mixing the pink, the white, and the clear. The marble didn't end up looking that marbly in the end, and that was completely my fault. It's just because I kept on blending it too much and I patted it too much, and I think I put a little bit too much white. So if I put like more clear and more pink, it probably would have looked more marble, and I was too lazy to fix it, so I just left it as is. So yeah, after I'm done swirling with my dotting tool, I'm gonna take the brush and then basically pat it into place so it's not like all raised. So I'm just like making sure it's like smooth, but I'm not like swiping because that's gonna make it weird. So for these V-cut nails, I'm just going to be putting some white in the empty spaces and then just patting it in. Also, I don't really care if it gets messy because afterwards I'm going to file anyway. But you guys don't want to like make it too crazy like I did because it took forever for me to file this thing. And that's not my fault because I put like really thick white layer over the pink part. And the middle finger, I just did plain pink. And I obviously encapsulated the marble nail. So this is what it looks like all filed and shaped. It looks pretty good. And you can kind of see the marble, but kind of not at the same time. So I just sprayed the nails with alcohol. And now I'm using my nail foil adhesive glue and these foil transfer paper foil thingy. So I'm just applying the glue sporadically, and the goal is for them not to look like polka dots. So you want like non-uniform little specks of glue. And once the glue turns clear, that's when it's ready for the foil. So while it's dry, I'm going to apply this Louis Vuitton sticker on the middle finger right at the tip. And this was giving me hecka problems. Like, it kept on flying off. It was super annoying. That's why I never use these. So by the time I finished sticking that on, the glue had finished drying. So now you take this gold transfer paper and you just basically you have to go pretty hard, apply a good amount of pressure. And you know, I kept going back and reapplying some glue in places where I felt like it needed it. So now I'm taking the top coat that came in the kit and just top coating all the nails. Now I'm using my Blossom Strawberry Cuticle Oil to finish off the look. So I think the nails came out really pretty. Comment down below what you think about them. Like I said previously, the link to purchase the GERSHION Nude Kit is in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.